Edition of News Republic, getting you a story from Andhra Pradesh where a rally was held in Chittoor district. It backfired badly. On 11th of April, a tractor rally was held in Chittoor to distribute food to people. However, 11 government officials who attended the rally have now tested positive. So this tractor rally, which was held in Chittoor, has certainly backfired, with 11 government officials who attended this rally now testing positive. 53 positive cases have been reported from Chittoor itself, of which 24 are from Srikalahasti constituency. Of these 24, 11 are the government officials who participated in this tractor rally. Krishnamurthy joining us with more inputs on the same. Krishnamurthy, first up, give us details of this tractor rally. When exactly was it held? How many government officials in total attended it, and how exactly has it now backfired?
Well, that's right. On April 11th, Srikalahasti MLA Madhusudan, in fact, held a rally. This is in the Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, which borders Tamil Nadu. And what exactly transpired was, in that tractor rally, there was a grandiose advertisement of all the MLAs, of all the people who, in fact, donated for the COVID this thing. The tractor rally was essentially to give away supply essentials to all the people there. But then there were so many tractors there that in each tractor there were huge cutouts of the people who made donations, which included Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, of Ratan Tata, and other entrepreneurs, including PM Modi also. But then
All right, we'll get back to Krishnamurthy in just a bit, but those are the visuals that we're really talking about. This rally took place on 11th of April, a tractor rally in Chittoor to essentially distribute food to people. But now this is how it has backfired. 11 government officials who attended the rally have now tested positive. All right, so as we speak and give out more details of what exactly happened on 11th of April, this in Chittoor in Andhra Pradesh, where, remember, the number of cases as far as the state is concerned has already crossed the 700 mark. It stands at 722. But as for this particular rally is concerned, Chittoor district itself seeing a spike, a sharp rise in the number of positive cases, and 53 positive cases have now been reported from Chittoor itself, of which 24 are from this particular constituency. Now, reports suggesting that food was being distributed as far as this tractor rally is concerned, but also inputs that were picking up that various cutouts were seen on these tractors appreciating the donors who contributed in the Chief Minister's Relief Fund as well. So those are the inputs that we're picking up as far as this April 11th rally is concerned. But now as many as 11 government officials who attended the rally who have now tested positive. So what the government next is likely to do is identify all those people who these government officials came in contact with, because we're looking at a rally. So people were certainly present in close proximity. And like Krishnamurthy was pointing out, several politicians, several netas were present on one single tractor. And so many of those lined up, remember, one after the other, of what we can see in the visuals. So certainly one can see that in a way lockdown rules were also broken, though the cause might be a positive one. The cause might be to distribute food, but certainly now the entire act has backfired. Krishnamurthy is back with us. Krishnamurthy, more details.
Well, that's right. Now, this rally which took place on April 11th in Srikalahasti, it's a temple town in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, where a rally was taken out to supply essentials, but this huge tractor rally backfired because of the 26 officials, including police officers and revenue officials, who were part of the rally, maintaining, distributing food and also maintaining security. 11 of them have been, in fact, tested positive, and all these 11 are now in quarantine in Tirupati hospital. people. And right now, what we're getting to know is that this rally, in fact, was kind of unnecessary because it had grandiose machinery put in place, essentially to only supply essential. But then what we saw was that the MLA, in fact, the YSRCP MLA Madhusudan Reddy, in fact, broke all the lockdown rules because there were many. First of all, he placed a lot of cutouts in each tractor. In fact, each tractor had a very big cutout of Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy. There was Ratan Tata and several other philanthropists whose cutouts were put in place. And also, a lot of people did come out on the streets, breaking the lockdown rules. And now, what we get to know is that after this, after over 9 days right now, some 11 out of 26 people, most of them government officials, have in fact tested positive. They were part of this rally. Chittor district, in fact, has seen a meteoric rise. It has about 53 cases alone in Andhra Pradesh, positive cases, of which 24 are from Srikalahasti constituency. Out of this 24, 11 are the officials who in fact were part of that rally. So definitely something which has backfired. This COVID-19 rally,
yes,
which was meant to distribute just essentials, backfired, and 11 of them in fact are now have been tested positive. This is something which the official have to look into, especially at a time like this when people are not supposed to step out on the streets.
Yes.
Such a rally by an MLA himself is obviously something which is quite concerning for the officials right now.
Yes, though the MLA claims that he was distributing essential items, he was distributing food, but in a sense also we can see how it was more of appreciating the donors who contributed in the Chief Minister's Relief Fund as well, with cutouts of Party Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, his wife as well. So in that sense, remains to be seen whether at all permission was sought and what kind of violations are we really looking at. Many thanks, Krishnamurthy. We'll leave it at that.